Okay, this is at 12:30 p.m. approximately on May 5th, Sunday, 2019, and we are in North Scottsdale now, looking at the chemtrails just 10 miles north of where I just was. So we see the cloudy X's in the sky. We see an X there. X marks the spot with a dot and a dot and a dash and a dash. And then we have the spewing plane here. Let me try to get a little bit out from under some of this. There it is. There, you should be able to see that, hopefully. It's hard for me to see with all the glare with the aluminum oxide and the laser on the sun. Yeah, it's very, very blue out. It's the big blue out coming, where the LED and the lasers and strobes are going to cause an epidemic of blindness if we're not careful. Here's the sun, all hazy, and here's the trails that you saw. There's an orb, parallel lines indicate an orb that interrupts your dreaming, and all this hazy linear sky, all designed as sky art to puff out and make it look natural. Well, I hate to tell you, this is not natural. So here we are, North Scottsdale, Arizona, home of the Solar Radiation Management, SRM, Chemtrails. NASA spokesman made an announcement on a video I saw in January of 2018 after the capture planes get all of the chemicals analyzed by the labs. Then they announce it because it's been analyzed. So I think we have to go to a German lab in order to get somebody to want to do it, because everyone else is too scared. So X is the spot with a dot and a dot and a dash and a dash and a big question mark. What are these parallel lines? Well, we know what they are, and we know that they're using Arizona, our beautiful desert sky, to experiment on us. Actually, it's not an experiment. It's actually a deliberate attempt to ruin our food supply and breathe in all these particulates, the coal fly ash, which is the residue from a burning of coal for electricity, and people have a stock interest in that. Isn't that weird? And we can have renewable energy, and they use the word renewable wrong. We could have sustainable, and they're using that sustainable wrong too. So here's a poor airplane flying in the sky underneath all of this pollution, illegal pollution of our skies. And I've been interested in who can stop this, and it seems that governors of every state have the ability to stop the illegal pollution of the skies. There are some planes not far from the Scottsdale Air Park. Again, it's just a total bombardment, bullying. You see those little scalloped edges? That's from a huge laser somewhere, and it lasers it to make it look puffy. And the chalk in it, the calcium carbonate, calcium oxide, exploded in oxygen. There's an X there. Makes the chalky, it makes it look chalky. So that's what the chalk is, and then you ingest the chalk or you breathe it in, and it causes calcium deposits, and also bad for the soil and the water and the animals who are grazing and drinking the water. It's very bad for plants and all living things. Thank you.